Let's organize these shelves for the kids and their teachers. We start by removing each item from the area as quickly as possible. Utilize the classroom tables and organize them one by one. Quickly sort items into two categories, one to donate, the other to keep. Immediately take items which do not belong in this classroom to the correct room they belong in. Taller shelves are more suitable for the teachers while smaller shelves work best for the children. Supplies which do not harm children can be stored lower, while office supplies and chemicals must be out of reach of the children. The first aid kit must not be accessible to children but must be in clear view of the teachers. The children's shelf should be organized in a way which they can easily understand, where supplies must be returned when not in use. Environments are a main factor in a child's education. Keeping a classroom organized is not only of worth to the teachers, but to the children as well.